There's two things I like about being down here in Las Cruces. One, I love the weather. Two, I hate the weather. It has been blowing winds since February. It's the beginning of March, and you can't even barely see the mountains because the wind's kicking up. And I gotta head back now because when this stuff comes, it comes with a fury. They're calling for high winds today. They shut the freeways down. I heard that the public service company in New Mexico is gonna shut power down up north because of the high winds. They don't want fires. It's so dry. They don't want the forest to catch on fire up there, so they're gonna turn power off. Anyway, this just kicked up within the last 5 minutes. And I'm out here in the Chihuahuan desert. I better head back to the house. Anyway, these things work great. They work. If you ride off-road like I do, you got to get some of these. They're cheap, they're easy to install. You just clamp them right there. That's all you need to do. Just clamp them. Little bracket that goes underneath comes in here. This bracket goes underneath, comes in here, and it's bolted down right there. I need to tighten that one up a little more. Anyway, if you ride off-road, you need to get a set of those. They come in all sorts of colors. I hope you enjoy my videos of what I'm doing and how I'm modifying my trike and the things I do to it. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Watching them and don't do none of that doesn't do me any good. Help me out. We've got some good rides coming up as soon as this wind stops. Holy mackerel. I don't like that. I hate it. Wind. Darn wind. All right. Let's head back to the house before I get blown off the road. I'm a dirty weather rider. I can ride in the dirty weather. Woo! Let's go down this hill. See what I mean about cactus out here? Look at that. Just there for the taking. Hope I didn't run on that on the way up here. Here's my hand rest. There's the bush. Ow! Pow! It didn't hurt. Ow! Take it. Perfect, 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 perfect. working perfect. Haven't hit one in my hand one time yet. These things are working. You can hear them. When they hit, you can hear the plastic push away the tree or the bush or the cactus or the alcatillo. Alcatillo! No. You gotta have these things now. Look. Hands behind them. Look, look. Almost. Another day in the desert, conquered. We conquered the desert, the Chihuahuan desert of southwest New Mexico. Yeah, me and my fat Tad Warthog. We did it. Another day busting the desert. Makes me happy. Hey folks, if you don't believe these things work, Let's go look. Look at all those scratches on that. That's one ride. That's a 45-minute ride. That would have hit my hand. Look at the mirrors. This ain't a fair weather trike. I ride this thing in the desert. And I needed help on my hands. I'm really happy with those. They're cheap. I think they were $14 Amazon. That's what I gotta tell you, folks. I like my hand protectors. Yeah. Bye.